Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the audio into Turnip so you can work without interruptions. First, drag or use import to add mp3/wav/ogg into assets. This preserves bitrate and metadata. Once done, preview the track to confirm levels and duration. Make sure to name the file clearly so you can identify it in longer projects. You do this because clear organization prevents accidental replacements and speeds later edits. Next, prepare to place the track on the timeline or scene audio. You now place the track where your scenes need ambience. Drag to the timeline or assign to a scene-level audio slot. Align the start to a clear beat or visual cue so cuts feel intentional. Once placed, trim and set fade-in/fade out to avoid abrupt starts. If the track must repeat, set loop markers and crossfades to hide seams. Make sure to lower music under dialogue using gain or ducking. This keeps speech intelligible while preserving musical presence. You finish by balancing the overall mix. Use a master bus, automation lanes, or sidechain/ducking so music moves under dialogue or effects. Once balanced, export a short test clip at your target codec and listen on headphones and speakers to confirm clarity and loudness. If you notice pops, gaps, or drift, make sure project and audio file sample rates match and that the track is correctly snapped to timeline frames. If problems persist, replace the file or re-import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.